So when we saw the machine for the first time, we noticed the footprint was quite a bit smaller than what we were used to, and I was extremely surprised to see that it was going to be able to increase productivity, and it certainly did.
Compact does not equal compromise. Delcor's compact packaging lines are designed for facilities where real estate is at a premium. With the Delcor former, packer, closer, and pelletizer, you can achieve high-speed, reliable packaging even in the tightest production areas. These lines maximize efficiency within a small footprint. Efficiency isn't just about individual machines, it's about how the entire line works together, and our full line solutions deliver unmatched performance. In order to fully integrate your line, Delcor has a large number of vetted and tested third-party equipment vendors. This ensures a smooth order-to-install process of your complete turnkey system. Contact us today to see how we can customize a secondary packaging line to seamlessly integrate for your needs. Ready to optimize your production? Let's build your perfect packaging line together.